Today we're going to be continuing our Overland build on my Jeep. Today is a front end focus. We're going to be doing the Fab 4 stubby front end bumper with the Stage Series Diode Dynamics yellow fog lights and the Warn Evo 10S winch, which I'm super stoked about. The thing is a monster. So let's do a quick overview of the Jeep, what I've done so far. We'll cover that in another video. But I'll give you a quick view of what we got working with today, and we'll get to it. 2019 Wrangler JL Rubicon 4-door. Like I said, we'll go through another day of what I've already done to the Jeep and do a nice introduction of the Jeep. But today's turn a wrench day. So let's get in the garage and let's get after it. Alright guys, Jeep is in, garage, barely fits, but this is what we're working with right now, so we're making it work. First thing we're going to do is the box is underneath all the other parts that we're going to be putting on this Overland build. So that bottom box has got to come out. We're going to unbox it and then get the lights installed, get the other bumper off, and get it on. I'm not going to do an in-depth on how to take off the bumper and put on the bumper. There's hundreds of videos on YouTube. I'm not even going to waste the time with that. But you'll see the end result. We'll do a quick little time lapse of pulling it off and getting it on, and we'll go through opening up the lights and the box and show you what's inside. Let's get after it. Alright, let's go over what's in the box. Super simple, nice steel bumper, winch plate, manual, and then all the hardware you need. And then we will grab Diode Dynamics Stage Series yellow fog lights. We're going to get these installed before we put the bumper on. Let's get them in. Let's go over what's in this box. Purchase order, sticker, brackets, factory plugs, some hardware, and then the two lights. I'm super stoked to see these on. Nice cooling in the back. Look at those things. Yep, I'm ready. This is gonna look sharp. All right, the next thing after these lights, we got to get some headlights. So if you guys have any recommendations, these are factory halogen ones, but I need some nice ones. I was looking at the Oracle ones. I got a KC light bar to put on, so maybe some gravity headlights. I don't know. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think, what you like, what you've tried, what looks the best. But let's start getting these on. So the way these are oriented before we move forward, plug goes on the bottom, and the big tabs go towards the top. They do have a little, it's not just one solid hole, so you will be able to shift this up and down for a better fitment. So we're just gonna loosely put these on. These lock nuts have a little hole they go right into so that they won't spin. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Number 4 Allen wrench. So these are kind of a pain in the butt to get in. There's one mounted. There's not a lot of room back here. Actually get a wrench. So, and it's calling for kind of an odd size, I guess. Something I don't have, but it's calling for a 11/16 socket, but the socket doesn't fit under there. So an 11/16 wrench will work, but I don't have an 11/16 wrench. So let's get back at it. Okay, So the directions on the bumper basically say use a pry tool to remove the light and harness from the bumper and set it aside. You have to take the outside skin off to take all these mounting clips out. See, I already started here, but all these mounting clips need to come out with the pry bar. And you got to take the outside skin off, which was all these 7mm bolts you just saw me undo. So I'm going to take this harness off, get that harness off, and we'll get it put into our new aftermarket lights. So we're gonna put that worn winch on while I have the bumper off. It's just gonna be that much easier. So we're gonna at least get it installed onto the bumper, and then if I got time, wire it up today. If not, you know, another day it is. I don't know if you guys have ever picked these boxes up, but they are heavy. These winches are no joke, these worn winches. Bolts that came with the winch, they gave us two sizes. See? But the way that the thickness of the plate and the thickness of the bumper, this one's too short, this one's too long. So, gotta make a little Home Depot stop. We went and grabbed some new bolts. They are M10 1.5 by 35mm. So, the problem is they're zinc coated, which is gonna rust eventually. A little bit of rust stop.